Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I don't have a tutorial, I've got two things to share with you. First up is the new cut and emboss machine. This is going to be available to you at the start of September. It's the new machine. I love it. It's light. I've got it the wrong way round, but it folds up, which is really such a good thing if you've got space issues. So I wanted to show it to you. It's a fold down one. There are others out there that fold down too. I like ours because it's chunky. This part here is chunky, the base is chunky. It's going to take all your regular dies, all your thick dies, all sorts. Ours is coming with a base plate, which has got instructions as to what sandwiches that you're going to need to use for varying things. A thin die plate, one for embossing and two clear plates. And you can see I've given mine a good workout. Look at the state of my plates already. Only had it a few days, but you know, I love it. It's great. It's light to send through when you're rolling this. If I had a die handy, I'd put it through. But yeah, it's light and yeah, it's not heavy at all. It's got great feet that suction down. I say suction down, well, they're not suction, as in you're not pushing a button to make them suction, but they don't move. And that's on the bottom here, and they are huge. And although I've got mine sitting on grid paper on my desk, it does not move. I'm pushing with all my weight. There we go. It moves when I tip it, but it's when you're scrolling through or rolling through, it's not shifting at all. So let me put this back down again. I use my grid paper as a guide. I know I'm in shot then, but yeah, it's nice. It's great. It's white. It's gorgeous. It's pretty. I love it. That's all I want to say about it. It's brilliant. I know a few people have said, oh, it's just like so-and-so's brand. There are only so many die cutting machines out there. Ours is the external part of it is unique to us. Our internals have been made by a reputable brand. It's nice, it's sleek, it's smooth, it's pretty. This is the thing that I felt stood out for me. This really chunky base that you put your cutting plates onto. Nice and chunky, nice and sturdy. I love it. What more can I say? Available in September. Okay, I've got that, but also my paper pumpkin has just arrived. So for those of you in North America, you get paper pumpkin on a monthly basis. For those of us in Europe, the UK and the South Pacific, it's a one-off for us. This is a one-off. And this one I believe was available, this was June's paper pumpkin, I think, for North America. And it's a one-off for us. So this is available now while stocks last. And I wanted to share this one with you. So, oh yes, there I was right, June 2020. It's called the Box of Sunshine. And this is my first opening. As you can see, I've just opened it. So what have we got in here? So I've got an ink pad. I've got a stamp set. So it says, Sunshine, you are loved. Sending hello, smile. And that one says, a little something to brighten your day. We've got a sun there and then some dots and dashes. I wonder if that actually is Morse code and says something. Possibly not. I'm guessing, oh well, actually this is just a flyer. You want to spread more sunshine, you can use the mini paper pumpkin boxes to create and send even more boxes of sunshine. That's so cute. Love this colour tissue. What have we got in here? This is very exciting. It's been well over a year since we last had paper pumpkin here in Europe. And then everything in there. So my understanding, and because we don't get it, not that I don't pay attention to it, but I don't investigate too deeply into it, is that there are enough supplies here to make a certain number of cards should you wish. Oh look, there's the instructions on it. Box of Sunshine instructions. So there's 4 styles of card. There are lots of demonstrators over in North America who make variations of them. And if you saw my blog post from a few weeks ago, I shared 2 demos there who had done variations of them. And Rachel Tessman in America, her blog is Stamp Your Art Out. She has a Facebook group for for Paper Pumpkin fans, but I believe she shows in that group alternatives you can make with it. So yeah, there's the cards, and there's the instructions on how to put it together. You will need a clear block with this one, and that's, oh look, what have we got here? Mini glue dots, mini dimensionals, cat not included, orange iridescent sequins, so they're orange based. They're very nice. And envelopes. So how many are we making? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 8 cards. Oh, those are nice, aren't they? Die cut shapes. So there's 5 pages of the same. So, well, there's 10 there. 10 of those, 5. So you've got enough to make more than one of each. So you've got at least 1 page of spares, but they're gold foiled. Can you see that? Aren't they cool? What have I got here? These appear to be, these are stickers. So they, she's got in the Paper Pumpkin box. Ridiculous kitten. Yeah, so they're the panels there that are in here. So I've got stickers there, I've got big ones there and smaller ones there. My card bases, so it's 2 each of 8 designs, it would appear. Have I got more die cuts? I have. Oh, this is cool. So what's that, the background one for? I don't know. Maybe that is simply just spares. I might have to read the instructions. I can't see what that one is for. Exciting. So, oh no, I know. That's so that when you've finished with the box and you've made everything, you can put an address label on the outside. So that's what that one's for. And I've got more labels here, more card bases. So I've got this design, so gold stripes, watercolour red, orange and yellow, sunshines, 2 of those, and then 2 more of those watercolours. That's really cool. Oh, I love that. That's really clever. So yeah, when you've finished with the box, or you know, when you've made everything, you can put some goodies in here. And I know Sarah did. She created a hashtag, share sunshine, and filled it with yellow coloured treats. And then obviously our mini Paper Pumpkin boxes, I'm going to guess they're about that sort of size. Fill them with yellow treats. But yeah, you can put that over there. And it's a mailing box. That's really clever. I love this. Oh, I hope we get it longer. Everybody email Stampin' Up and say, please can we have it forever in Europe and South Pacific. And yeah, all the elements to create. So I'm really excited. So that's going to be my job this weekend. I'm not working this weekend. So I'm going to be playing a Paper Pumpkin instead. How cool. And a stamp set. Blimey, a stamp set. Our stamp sets are sort of like £16–18 normally. I know there's no box or anything for it, but oh, fabulous. Love it. So, 2 things for you today. No tutorial, but you know, I've got all of the previous weeks and I do 7 tutorials a week for you. But yeah, die cutting machine, cut and emboss machine. I love it. I'm really, really happy with this, and it takes up very little real estate on my desk. Real estate is precious on my desk, and Paper Pumpkin for you. So this is while stocks last. So go and get one. It's available in for Europe, French, German, and English, and South Pacific's going to be English as well. So yeah, go get it. Love it. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. That's my phone. Bye.